error code 727e66ac. There's a problem with your connection to our online services. Please visit our website, NBA2k.com status, for an update information. Okay, so if you're getting this error on NBA 2K22 and actually NBA 2K21 as well on the PS3 or PS4, a lot of people have been having this error. I want to show you a really quick fix. We're going to troubleshoot a few things, but I want to show you a really quick hack that will most likely get you fixed and into the game. That's if you don't have an internet connection problem. So only thing I want you to do is simply create another player, but make sure you skip the prelude and your new player can start playing. Then quit, then load the player you want, and then that should fix the issue. Now, if that doesn't fix the issue, it could just be simply that the server is down for Xbox or it's down for the PlayStation. So what you want to do is go online, whether that's a computer or a desktop, your smartphone, click www.nba2k.com/game status. And then look over here at your PlayStation Network, and if it shows normal up and running, then you know it's an issue on your end. If it's not up and running, there's an error, you have nothing to worry about. You just wait till you get, they get it back up and running. All right. If it's on your end, what I want you to do is just restart your console, restart the PlayStation, and then start it back up, and then see if you're able to get it on. It could just be a glitch with your PlayStation, and you may just want to unplug it from the wall, as a matter of fact, for a few minutes, and then plug it back in. All right. After you've tried that, what I want you to do is check your Wi-Fi network. Try a different device on your Wi-Fi. Try your smartphone, your desktop, your laptop, someone else's phone, and see if they're able to get connected to that router. If they're not, then you know it's not an issue with your game, it's an issue with the router. Okay? If there is an issue with the router, only thing I want you to do is reset the router and maybe unplug it from the wall for about 3 or 4 minutes, plug it back in, and then start it back up, and then tell me if you're able to get connected. You might want to check and see if a password's been changed recently on that router. So ask your roommates or your family members, hey, is there something that's changed on this router recently? Now, if it's like in the evening, your Wi-Fi router may be clogged with other devices. So you might want to tell everybody just to shut their Netflix off or their whatever they're using, because what will happen is sometimes the Wi-Fi router has just been bombarded with too much information, and it could be just an issue where you're not able to get connected because there's too many people on the server. You might want to connect your PlayStation directly to the Ethernet, to the LAN port, or just bring it closer to the router and see if that will fix the problem. All right, so after you've tried that, what I want you to do now is use Google DNS address for PS3, or rather PS4, PS5. So basically what I want you to do is, for your NBA game, what I want you to do is go to settings, or rather for the PlayStation, go to settings in the PlayStation, click on network, set up an internet connection, choose Wi-Fi or LAN, whichever you have. If you're using Wi-Fi, use Wi-Fi, etc. Then go to custom, then automatic for IP settings, and then click do not specify for DHC hostname, then choose manually for DNS settings, and then type this 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS, and then 8.8.4.4 for secondary. Then click automatic for MTU settings and do not use for proxy. And then from there, what I want you to do is restart the PlayStation and then tell me if that works. Now, if you've tried all that, what I want you to do is do an update for 2K, either 21 or 22, which whenever you have. So go to the PlayStation homepage, and when you get to it, click on it, choose option, and then what I want you to do is check for update, and then that might take a few minutes, restart, and then see if that will fix your problem. If you've tried all that and you're still having an issue, do an update on your PlayStation and see if that will fix the problem. The only other option I know of is to uninstall 2K21 or 2K22 and then reinstall it, and then see if that will get you up and running. Make sure you put in the comment section which solution worked for you.
You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you, please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have it. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.